you know what this is?
No.
Chewing gum?
One chewing gum. Please open it.
Why don't you look at some of your other presents? A lollipop? See, this is the gum.
Oh, we want to have it.
Okay, well, don't eat it now.
Uh-uh.
You know what you're supposed to do, Jess?
Yeah.
You gotta find the eggs that the bunnies left. Okay? Take a piece. Okay.
Just like Lenfie?
Uh-huh. Okay, now find... Yeah, you can chew it. Don't swallow it, just chew it.
Give me a piece.
You want to start to find some of the eggs? The bunny left eggs all over, Jess.
Don't choke on it.
I won't.
Jessica.
One balloon. Wait. A book.
Uh-huh, another book.
Jess, what's this?
Look. Barbie doll.
Right.
Jess, look.
I want it. I want to get it.
Push it down. Okay. You push the front down. Push the front down. No, the front. You just push this down.
I thought that was in an egg.
Jessica, remember you found this egg up there? The Easter Bunny left a lot more. Want to look around and start to find them?
Yes.
Okay, look around the living room.
There's no more.
Yes, there's a lot more. Take a look around.
Maybe this is not on the floor. Nope. Not on the floor. I can open it. Let me see it.
Oh, jelly beans!
More?
Yeah, go look for more eggs. There's a lot more eggs.
I eat them.
All right, eat one. Okay, start to look.
Layla, eat
Yeah, you can go look at them all later. Look around.
them. Yum.
They could be hidden in things too, Jess. Jessica, it's not over here. They could be hidden in things.
No. You found more?
You'll find them. Jelly beans. Keep looking.
You cat. You do it.
No, you gotta look. The Easter Bunny left them for you. And you get a bellyache if you eat all those. Just keep looking.
Jess, look around. Look around, okay? Wow.
Got another one? Oh!
Balloons!
Jessica, if you keep finding eggs, they all have presents in them, so you better keep looking, okay? Keep looking around, they have presents in them.
Jess, why don't you bring your bear? Bring your bear with you. No, the one that's sitting down.
The other bear,
Bring the bear.
to help you look for eggs.
That bear.
No, this one, right here.
Right there. No, the big one. The brown one. On the chair.